I told you 3 steps are there. First is mobilization, and then second is cyclooxygenase, lipoxygenase, and then third is tissue specific isomerase that will convert to a specific leukotrienes, specific prostaglandins, specific thromboxane. So this is done by third step. You can see cyclooxygenase pathway, as I have told you, prostanoids, both are called prostanoids, prostaglandins and thromboxane, both because they have cycle, and this is why this is called prostacyclin. Cyclooxygenase pathway, prostanoids, and then lipoxygenase pathway will produce these two. And there are 2 lipoxygenase. You can see 5 lipoxygenase will produce leukotrienes and 15 lipoxygenase will produce lipoxins. Okay, so you can see these are the steps of synthesis of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins from this lipoxygenase, okay, it will form from this cyclooxygenase, it will form this, and a series of transformation, G will convert into G2. Let's enzyme, talking about enzyme is not all step will be converted by enzymes. There will be enzyme. So you can see prostaglandin GH. So after GH, you can see, you can remember GH, and then there will be E this. GH, there will be I, D, E, F. A, thromboxane A. Just remember A is not prostaglandin, it is A. So IDFA, ID, IFA. You can remember anyway. So PG, GH, IDFA, you can remember anyway. So it's your choice, IDFA. So you know this, you can see the 2 here. Prostaglandins PG, I2, PG here also 2. So prostaglandins G converts into H, then I, then DEF, IDEF, thromboxane A2. So every places you will see 2. What is this 2? Let me explain this. What is this 2? You can see here, can you see? Because here 4 bonds, 2 bonds are engaged in cycle formation. You can see there is only 2 bonds. Can you see? Tell me, there is only 2 bonds. Can you see? 2 bonds only?
Yes, sir.
So this 2 bond refer to this prostaglandins 2. Now here you can see how many bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 bonds are retained here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 4 bonds are retained here. So you can see 2 is representation of this double bond. And leukotrienes, you can see leukotrienes A, B, C, D, E. Very easy. A is a parent compound. From A, everything is synthesized. B, C, D, E is synthesized. Here you can see every places, you see 4, 4, 4. Because it has got 4 bonds. That is why 4. So from A parent compound, lipoxygenase, this lipoxin can also be synthesized. This is a parent compound for this. Okay, and that is how lipoxygen can be synthesized through 5 and 15 both, but leukotrienes only by 5.